vamos a ir a visitar a una señora, una amiga. Ahorita le vamos a dar la sorpresa. Ahorita va a ir toda mechuda. Ahorita vamos a visitarla. Ahorita se las enseñamos. Ahorita está oscuro, ya son las 5:35. Ya se oscureció. De la mañana, de la tarde. De la tarde. Son las 5:35 de la tarde. A esta hora oscurece como las 4:30, ¿va? Como 4:30, 5 oscurece.
Sí.
Ya va a empezar a cambiar el clima, ya por ahí como en marzo cambia la hora. No. Sí, ya se pone más claro. A las 7 está bien claro y asoleado. Pero ahorita rápido, oscurece, le va el día uno rápido. Miren qué bonito se ve aquí, ¿ven? Allá hasta el sol se está ocultando. ¿De qué lado, ven? Allá enfrente. Se está ocultando. Allá, aquí le estoy enseñando con el dedo, miren. Allá está todo anaranjadito, allá se está ocultando el sol. El sunset. El sunset. Hoy estamos llegando de la amiga, vamos a visitarla.
Y por aquí no.
Y sí, no se vaya a pasar, ¿eh?
No.
Oh, sí. No, más adelantito. Y más que oscuro no se mira. Espérense, ahorita les decimos, vamos a ver dónde es. Miren, pues, acá es. Ya llegamos, ya se los pasamos, porque tienen el chisme.
No, es que los carros
Es que ahorita está todo oscuro y aquí donde ella cuesta ver la entrada de la casa. Y mire que ni la casa se mira, mire. Es que está bien oscuro. Miren, allá está la casa, ¿ves? Pero espérense que este coso se empaña. Miren qué bonito se ve aquí. Aquí está bien oscuro ahorita ya. Se ve oscuro porque venimos en el carro. Bueno, ahorita lo bajamos ahí. Miren qué bonito se mira, pues. Pero es que está oscuro acá atrás, para atrás. Ahorita vamos de retroceso. Pero aquí estamos en la casa, miren, ve. Le venimos a tener una sorpresa, le traemos. Ahorita la vamos a encontrar toda pelo parado, espérense. Ahorita les presento a la my friend. A la my friend. Miren, ahí le traemos un regalo, ve. Le traemos ahorita a ella, ve. De Valentine. Le estamos adelantando el Valentine. Están las flores, ¿ves? Está el conductor. Venimos en el taxi. Ahí donde va a abrir ahorita la señora. Ahorita la asustamos, espérense. Miren, pues está bien bonito, ¿ven? Ahorita vamos a ver el carro porque había lodo donde se parqueó. Miren qué bonito está aquí. Allá, que les decía yo que el sol se está ocultando. Miren, ¿ves? Bien bonito se mira el sunset. Miren. Todo anaranjadito. Y allá está el doggy, ¿ves? El guau guau, pero no hace nada, miren. Ahí está, ¿ves? Miren. Ahí voy, Pérez. Miren. Acá venimos. Súbanle pues, súbanle. Súbanle para arriba. Y ahí está el perro, pero no los hizo nada, no los mordió la nalga. Tócale, Meli. Tócale a la frame. Miren, le traemos el ramo, ¿ves? Miren. Amiga, abre la puerta que se me congela el chunchucuyo. Tócale. El vidrio, dile ding dong. Ay, esta amiga. Esperen, que todavía no los abren.
Ella dice, ahí vengo.
Oh, es que viene slow, como la Turo.
Hey,
¿Es open? I don't know.
Hola, sobrino.
Ahí está la frame.
Tú frío.
Está frío, amiga. Se los frisa el chunchucuyo.
Feliz día año nuevo, baby. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Say hello.
Hello. Look at this.
They don't can see you. It's too dark.
Oh, look, see you always thinking about me.
Go to the light.
Oh
Let's
my
go.
God. Look, dearie. Look up.
Say hello.
Say hello.
He's shy.
No, he ain't shy.
Hello.
He ain't shy. He haven't seen you since last time. So now he gonna do it right.
Ah, white, huh? My name is Elmer.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
All right. That's right. Okay.
Oh,
Waiting for this for 6 months.
Oh, really?
7 months.
Remember?
Oh,
The summer he was supposed to fix it.
Oh.
What, 5 months?
Something.
5 months? It was before the summer was over. because he
Yes,
fixed
it's for a
the
long
air for
time.
me.
Yes.
Ay, hola niño.
Yeah.
Tan
I
Sonia.
got 2 novias.
You got 2?
Yeah.
No, only one. Look the house,
Only
my
one?
friend. Say hello to my friend
My
Sonia.
house no clean, man.
No, it's beautiful.
There's no clean.
It's beautiful.
Change the style.
You change, it's good. It look more better like that.
Yeah, I was trying. I got really bored when I couldn't do nothing for 2 months. I couldn't put no weight on it.
Yes.
Yeah, so I was really bored. Oh my God.
But you look skinny too.
I lose a lot of weight.
Ooh, she
Oh
looks
my
sexy.
God, yeah.
Hey, you have to
No
make a new
makeup,
hairstyle.
nothing.
Hey,
Why you so
speak
mad?
all you Spanish you got because you be find some boyfriend right there. Front and sábado.
No necesito novio, necesito un esposo.
Esposa,
Yeah.
novio.
No tiempo para novio. Necesito un persona for serious.
Yeah, serious, no novio.
serious.
There's no time for novios anymore.
And no necesito one chiquita años chico for taking my money. I don't got nothing. I don't got nothing. What's up, Jose?
Okay.
You want somebody to fix your house and take care of your
She
house?
want mechanics, plumbing.
Come on.
He want plumbing, mechanic,
Plumbing,
electricity.
mechanic, electricity, lawnmower fixer.
La mujer.
What else?
It's broke again?
What else you want?
No, it's not broken. But just in case I'm thinking ahead.
Just in
I think
case.
ahead of time. Come have a seat. Come have a seat.
Let's go. Go sit down.
How y'all been?
Good,
Oh my
Sonia.
God. Plastic on no dirt. Can't you just take the trash bags and and put down and like try to get rid of them? The man said, "Don't work like that, lady." If that's the case, he said, "I wouldn't have a job if everybody just cut trash bags and laid them up under the crawl space." He said, "You have to put something down and seal it and all that kind of stuff and get the moisture out." I said, "We'll be alright."
Yeah, special
Hola
cross.
familia, ¿cómo está?
Bien, diles. Bien, estoy bien. Hablo español, ¿eh?
Oh man,
Pero poquito.
I look a mess.
No, look, está bien.
My family is visiting me today.
Es la hermana,
My
Sonia.
first company for the year.
Yeah.
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 My
Oh,
first
you really?
company- Really? My first company for the
The
new
first
year.
friends.
Yeah, the first friends. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What you doing, man? You so quiet today. I'm so sorry I don't have popsicle.
He's so what?
Oh,
No, it's okay. It's too cold anyway. Outside it's too cold.
Yeah.
It's too much.
But it's better than it was like last month.
No, but today it's so cold.
It's 50 degrees today.
No.
no.
No, now, Sonia.
It's 30 something now?
33.
Oh man.
It's freezing.
Oh, sorry for you.
I don't want to get out the car.
How you keep a little warm inside the
I
house?
did a little warm.
With the little heater, she got it
That's
from the
good.
Tractor Supply. We turn on the little heaters
Chicken.
and close the port. And in the computer room, when she working, if they fix the little ones, it's broken. That's the whole thing.
I see.
I'm thinking like Spanish person now.
Hey.
Part of it.
Wow, all three. 1, 2, 3. So.
Big D. You in the baño? Okay. I'll wait until you come out so I can show you something.
He know learn Spanish too? No.
He understands. So he
Really?
knows. Yeah.
He don't speak.
Only the little words, the numbers.
Hola.
Yeah.
Uno, dos.
1, 2, 3. They can make it to 10.
That's lighting.
Oh man,
Ese se le arruinó del calentón.
you dyed your hair.
All three. This is we call it 5, 5, and 5. You hear it, that's 15. 15 amps.
Okay.
15 kilowatts, sorry. I can tell you.
You shot.
5, 5, 5.
That's why it's no more work.
15 kilowatts. So, I got the coil, but it's not for this kind of unit.
Okay.
Look.
Oh my God, he not been dizzy?
No, you don't be dizzy.
Look. I bring it because in case. In case. I know what you got, what is the problem. This one, and it has to stretch it,
Is
right?
it-
But yours
It don't expand.
is flat. No.
No, that
It's flat over here. And this one, look.
round.
It's round.
it's not the same.
And need a couple ceramics over here somewhere.
Oh my
You
goodness.
see?
Ooh. Oh, that one is not
The white
working.
thing is
That
not
one is not going anymore.
Ceramic, we call ceramic.
Jaden.
So,
Siéntate para aquí.
this time it has to be put tray
Tray up under it.
underneath
Oh.
with
okay.
the condensation line or something like that way.
Okay.
If something leaking, no mess you wood to the like this condensation line over here.
It's gonna catch it.
Going to down, or we can drill it to outside.
Okay, we're gonna drill it to outside.
I got one I can provide to you. I don't use it's luminous. Good one. Probably fit in the new one.
But when we get the new one, because it ain't gonna hit with that one, right?
No.
Okay. One with the money.
How many you want?
2. one that can save me money with
She
their
want
hands,
to husband
and
this.
the other one that can pay for the things that the other husband gonna need. Oh.
You asking for too much?
Oh my God.
Keep eyes on it because
Maybe everybody running away from Sony.
if you wait too much, mess it up with wood.
She got his space. She got rooms. You can even have
She
your
her house. She her house.
You can even have your own room, husband. I can have my room, or you can have your room.
Oh.
Yeah. And if you get sick, I know how to take care of you. I know how to check the sugar.
Hey, in this video, you go,
Yeah.
every countries.
Yeah.
Philippines,
Philippines,
Spain, Mexico,
Japan,
everywhere.
Guadalajara,
Guadalajara.
Salvador.
El Salvador.
What's your country?
El Salvador.
El Salvador. I should have said that one first. El Salvadorians. Hey, teléfono amigo, okay?
Teléfono Sonia.
Yeah,
Chini
teléfono
husband,
Sonia.
okay?
Yes.
You
And my
guys,
grandson is
Hey.
respectful. He teach my grandson.
She's hiding husband now.
you guys have bumps everywhere.
Oh,
Points on
I know. We were-
bites or something.
we were serious, weren't we?
I just
Yeah, we put
stop. I just stopped and something.
My daughter was serious, I tell you.
I guess I left her somewhere.
See, my daughter was serious. I told you she was
It's
serious.
dangerous over here. Soon you don't have it.
You okay?
Soon you don't have arrows. You stop and up shoot me. I'll be good. If you got arrows somewhere, I'll be.
He said, "Oh my God, I'm gonna kill everything."
Arrows with something, when you touch them.
Pew.
Like the Home Alone.
Oh, I'm like, hold on.
Hold on.
Look, all I need is
Let me
this.
know. Let me know because I have to wear something. And goggles and hammock or something.
But I won't murder your new husband.
Maybe you kill your husband.
No. I won't make you sick and we won't kill you. We need you.
You wanna
We
kill
need you.
the visitors
No,
today, huh?
no.
I already
No,
stopped in
no.
a bunch of
Poison.
trap poison.
You see? I need a mechanic, electrician,
Plumbing.
plumber, agriculture for the farming.
You have a
I have
bag.
this face.
You have a
Yeah.
bag.
Ah, estas son. Vámonos.
I forgot about that one.
Let's go.
I need one for the farming, for the agriculture.
Oh, agricultura, dice.
Yeah, because of the space, we can make money off the land.
Ah, dice que como
Sí.
tiene espacio,
I was being
van a hacer
esposo.
mucho dinero, dice el esposo, dice.
Look, show you.
Así que mucho money.
Probably she's married. She's right, but
She did.
probably one be.
Maybe one is work or two.
Yeah, that's it.
And after that is bake.
If y'all know where I can find these at, and it's flat at the end, not the round ones, they're flat. Necesito 3 bolsas, amigos.
Tres bolsas.
No. You take that one. You
Chini,
take-
hey,
I
show,
take-
show. What you need?
Show what?
You only have to show
Yeah,
something.
with the flat tip, 3
Okay.
bolsas.
Tres dice.
So the mechanical, or you got the license for the EPA? I need it. Necesito your help. I'm one nice lady.
Hey, maybe you find somebody over
And I
here.
believe in, and the most importante, I believe in Jesus Christ.
Ah,
Jesus
yes,
Christ, okay?
She believe.
Put
Yeah.
that one inside. Because
Yeah, I don't believe in the
If
Google,
Así
I
que
believe in
mucho,
Jesus Christ.
así que mucho amor, ¿verdad, Sonny?
you
Mucho
got
low.
Sí,
This one.
She have a lot of low in the heart.
sí,
Can
mucho
I wash
amor.
my hands somewhere?
Yes, in the baño, wherever you want.
Ahí está el simple.
No, she not.
Esta es la casa de la amiga, de la hermana.
I gone to the bathroom.
Okay. Watch out for the poison.
Check it.
Ooh. What? Yeah, you saved it for me? You saved it for me? Tell it.
Un abuelito.
Yeah, abuelito, look up.
You need grandfather? You need one grandfather?
Put your sad face on. Say we need help. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. What you doing? Look at
Hey,
the
le
camera.
do una one picture,
Look
okay?
at that face,
You
look
need
at
hair
that
ahí.
Ooh, that was good, wasn't it? Did it work? No. We're gonna see how many hits she got tonight on her channel.
Ajá.
Mm-hmm.
We need have to post this video maybe
Yeah.
tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Mama.
We need have to find the title.
Yeah, what is it gonna be?
I don't know. We need, leave me idea.
Don't put it. You don't want me to be on there?
No.
Who gonna help us?
No one.
How we gonna fix everything?
You don't.
What we gonna do?
Buy a new house.
Buy what money? Huh? What you say,
No,
Mama?
you find somebody?
There's dungeons over here.
Sticky. ¿Cómo se llaman esas?
He said we gonna kill everything.
Mire, dije, pegó bien el zapato. No lleva allí. No lleva pega.
No.
No, ya no.
There's a sticker trap.
La Sonia tiene bombas aquí.
Hey,
Yeah,
let me know if you don't have arrows or
Imagine,
something.
no, I don't have arrows. Imagine, she put peanut butter. At first, it was peanut butter on every one.
You mama probably cheat too.
She's gonna kill everything. She's gonna kill
Let me
everything.
know. I try open the bedroom. Oh, that's so cold. And he's loud.
No, she wanna find a husband and that way he no go nowhere.
Yeah, he got plenty of time to fix
Yes.
everything. He ain't gonna have time to leave me.
Or probably
He gonna be busy.
There's a gun with something. When I open the door, just put the trigger and.
The door open. Booby trap. How you say this in
Well,
Spanish? Booby trap.
I be in camera.
He be in cámara.
No, I just.
That booby trap.
Okay, you need have to say bye-bye to the video. We need have to say bye-bye.
Okay,
Leave the like.
Adios. Mi nuevo amigos y amigas. Gracias,
Tell
gracias.
them, leave the like and share the video.
Share the video. Like, save, and share the video.
Yes.
Please, pues, gloria, manes.
Gloria hermanas. Bye.
Oh no, I'll be
Bye.
back. Let me